Hey everyone, this is Melo Munchkin by Nurse Erwina. Let's teach our kids hand washing and cleanliness.
Bubbles on my fingers, bubbles on my toes. Scrub it up gently, that's how washing goes. Hands so clean and shiny bright. Bye bye germs, we're doing it right. Rub them front and rub them back. Don't forget between each crack. Thumbs go round in soapy rings. Washing hands is fun, it sings. Bubble time, splash and sing this happy rhyme. Clean and fresh from top to thumb. Wiggle those fingers, here we come. Water warm and towels near. Washing hands brings happy cheer. After potty, play or snack, we wash those pesky germs right back. Bubble time, splash and sing this happy rhyme. Clean and fresh from top to thumb. Wiggle those fingers, here we come. Now our hands are squeaky clean, shiny, soft and germ-free sheen. Washing's fun, we do it right. Morning, noon and every night.
Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.